Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Rachel and she's coming today for a lovely fresh set. So I've done all the prep work on her natural nails. So my prep work is, I have got a video dedicated to that. So I'll try like it's a hard thing. I'll leave that in the description box, the link for that. But it literally is pushing back all the cuticles. I go around the cuticle area with my cuticle bit and remove all the dead skin off the nail and all that monkey all that manky horrible, you know, like, yeah, not nice looking stuff that are usually on minor fingers, to be fair. Oh my god. But anyway, so I do all that and then I remove the surface shine and then I apply my tips, I shape, I cut to size and shape, and then I apply the clear layer. Well, I apply my dehydrator and then I apply my primer and then I apply my clear layer. And then this is how I usually start my videos, don't I? So here we are. This is such a simple set. I wasn't gonna upload it because it is just so boring. Not boring, but so simple. But I thought, as it's an all acrylic set, I'm just gonna, and everyone really seems to like the picture, and somebody I hope there's a video for that. I hope there's a video for this, so I'm gonna upload it purely for that person. Can't even remember who it was off the top of my head. So yeah, so what I'm using here is, I'll give you a guess. What do we reckon it is? Is it elderberry? Is it mulberry? No, I'm joking, it's mulberry. It is mulberry, I'm sure you all know that. So what I was planning on doing, I was planning on applying a really thin layer and then applying a really thin layer. I was planning on just using the colour pure, like without capping it, because you don't need to cap this colour. But I just can't do it. I don't know why, I just feel like I need to cap all of them. So, I know, I'm irritating. I don't know how people do it. I don't know how they can just leave it. I feel like there was no strength there or anything. I need to learn that. I need to learn. But anyway, yeah, so I'm just going to apply that to all these fingers here. I'm nearly done. Like, I've been talking so much, I've nearly done. Jesus. So I'm just applying that to all the nails. The colour was quite wishy-washy, so I'm having to go over it quite a few times. Probably my fault rather than the product itself. So the brush that I'm using, I think it is let me look at it. I think that's the big boy from CJP. So yeah, I'm literally just, like, see what I mean, going around on the tip and the edges and stuff, and kept going, dipping back in. So yeah, sorry, I'm rambling. I'll let you watch. So the ring finger, it's such a simple set. She's got to have something glittery on it. Standard, isn't it? Just standard. So we're going in with chocolate fudge from Glitter Planet. Honestly, super stunning. I've used it in probably about 2 of my other videos. Actually, you're probably getting bored of it, but I'm sorry. But it is such a nice glitter to apply. You know, you get some that are just awful. This one is just not. It really is just So easy to work with. It's like a colour. It's like you're putting on a colour. Full coverage. So yeah, I'm just applying that nice and thin to the entire nail. Just adding some loose glitter where I felt needed it. And then I'm going to come in and cap all the nails because I'm a div in crystal glass. I know I've heard Liz say it before that it can, she used some like really technical word. Did she say like polymerize? Mate, I'm going to pretend what that means. She said something. Maybe it was crystallized. She is like a wordsmith, I swear. She says some words and I'm like, what is she saying? I swear, she could write a dictionary or something. Like, honestly, I've told you before, I'm really quite thick. My GCSEs spelt out fudge. I literally got loads of F's, a couple of U's, quite a few D's, G's and E, if I even spelt that right. So yeah, anyway, so now I'm going to cap them. Yeah, so she was saying that dark colours, when you cap them, I'm guessing I don't know what word she said, but I'm guessing she means you can see like some bubbles or, you know, a few little air bubbles and grains and God knows what. And she's not wrong because I did see them. But anyway, it didn't make the set look any uglier. She was super happy with them and so was I. So yeah, I'm just going to let you watch me cap them. So now I'm going to come in with my hand file and I'm going to perfect the shape. Rachel loves a nice blunt square. Blunt square? Just a square. She likes a nice square. So my natural reaction is to just taper them in, and I remember just really struggling, but she does like a proper square. So yeah, I'm just using my Glitter Planet file here and just gonna perfect the shape. I then come in with my Efile and I whiz over the surface of the nails and make sure I go around the cuticle area and get that nice and flush. So I buffed them lovely and smooth, and she went and gave them a good scrub with some soap and water, and now we're ready for our top coat. So I'm using the Missu top coat again, and I'm just going to apply a nice thin even coat of that over all the nails. Look at this glitter. Yep, ain't it? Ain't it? You know it. Sorry about that, was the door. So then, yeah, she'll cure in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. I apply some cuticle oil, and that is a set complete. Oh my god, a little tip about cuticle oil. When you put cuticle oil on, just pull it round the cuticle, obviously, and then blend, like rub it down the finger rather on the nail. If you get it on the nail and take a picture, honestly, I've tried it, it's not a good look. You can put it on the nail by all means after, but take your picture first, because there's no smears, there's no blur. It's just fresh out the lamp, and they look super shiny and stunning. So yeah, if you want to apply some cuticle to the nail and rub it over the nail, do that after. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you did, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.